Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie and today is super exciting because I am traveling to Hawaii tomorrow on vacation. This is my second vacation. I went to Wisconsin a couple months ago and so now we're going to Hawaii. I'm super excited. So today I'm going to show you all what you need to do before going to Hawaii. Hawaii is a special case because the government requires you to take certain steps before flying to Hawaii. So you have to go to the specific website called travel.Hawaii.gov, and on the website you pretty much have to explain if you got the vaccine, if you quarantined, things like that. I'll show you the exact process right now, and then later on I'm gonna go ahead and pack for the trip. So excited. And then I'm just gonna do some things around the house to make sure that everything is set for the trip. I love flying. I've been flying since I was months old, since I was a baby. That is one thing in my life that I actually am super organized with. So I'll tell you some tips for traveling and things that you have to bring when you travel on a plane, especially now during COVID time. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. I'm taking you along with me on this special adventure, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's get cozy, let's get comfy. So I have my laptop right over here. And so the website is travel.Hawaii.gov. So everyone from the US, you have to go to this website before traveling to Hawaii, or else you won't be able to go on the plane, you won't be able to board. So this isn't necessary. All right, so this is my specific profile. All right, so our government will basically ask you to make an account for this website. This is the mandatory state of Hawaii travel and health form. What you'll need is your flight number going to Hawaii and your flight number coming back from Hawaii. So that means you can add all your travel dates and your flight information. This needs to be under the trip section right over here. So under the apply for exemption and exception from quarantine, you have to upload your COVID vaccination card. This will allow you to travel to Hawaii and come back without having to quarantine in Hawaii for, I believe, 10 or 14 days. So it's super important. That's why I would recommend getting a vaccine, not only to be able to travel safer, but also to protect others around you. That's just my opinion. Just want to let you know. But yeah, so this is where you'll upload your COVID vaccination card. And then 24 hours prior to your flight is when you're going to fill out the health questionnaire form. And then this is where everything is. It'll give you a QR code, and then you'll use that QR code when you go to the airport and board onto your flight. So again, travel.Hawaii.gov is the website, and you have to go on this website before going to Hawaii because you don't want to spend hours in the airport trying to do all of this last minute, because it just makes traveling to Hawaii more stressful than it already is. So that is something mandatory that you have to do. And also, when you're traveling to Hawaii, please remember to bring your COVID vaccination card. So that is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to put it in my purse straight away, or actually in my wallet, so that I do not forget it tomorrow. I will remember to bring my COVID vaccination card and my husband's. So if you're traveling with a family, make sure to bring the card for everyone that had the shot. Hey guys, update. So I'm at the airport now. Because of the QR code, I did everything beforehand. They give you this green wristband or whatever color. This will allow you to go on the plane to Hawaii. So yeah. Alright, so my kitchen is kind of messy right now. I actually made chilaquiles earlier today, as you can see. When I cook, the kitchen gets messy, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean the house actually a little bit, just because we're leaving tomorrow and then we want to come back to a nice house. So cue the montage. So I'm currently on my bathroom floor. I am packing, so let me show you how I fold my clothes in my luggage and how I generally pack my clothes when I go on a flight. Usually if I'm just going somewhere for a weekend, I don't pack too much because, you know, you never know like what you might get over there on your vacation, or it's only like 4 or 3 days that you're going away from home. So it's honestly not a lot of clothes. So I'll be in Hawaii from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and we're leaving Sunday. So that's 4 days of outfits. And then my flying outfit, which I'll be wearing the same outfit going and leaving Hawaii. So that's around what, like 5 to 6 outfits. So I have of course, my orange flower dress. So that'll be one of the 2 dresses that I bring. So this is kind of like, you know, for just going out, maybe shopping or going somewhere really fun in Hawaii, taking pictures. I'll be wearing this. So I'll put the dresses aside actually, because I'll show you how I pack the more basic things first. But this is the other dress that I'm bringing. It's kind of like a puffy sleeved long dress. It's very cute. I'll show you how it looks in these pictures over here. This is actually like a skirt. It's a black skirt with this like cute like pink halter top right over here. It's like a backless top as well. I'll probably be wearing my swimsuit under this. So it's very cute. I'll show you how it looks. I'm gonna do like a fashion haul when I'm in the hotel room. This is just gonna be a little like beach tank top slash dress over my swimsuit. Very cute. Here are my pajamas. I have 3 swimsuits that I'm gonna bring. This is one of them. This is the one piece. And it's really cute. It looks kind of vintage. So it looks like this. And then this part has like a little skirt. Little like frilly skirt in the bottom. You want to look cute when you wear one-piece bathing suits. I love it. And then these are my casual clothes. So it's just like my white straight leg pants with, of course, the little vintage top that I showed you in my last video. That. And then I have just a normal plain shirt as well, just for those casual moments. All right, so this is how I start packing. So I have like these little pockets over here, this pocket over here, and this pocket. This big one is where I'm gonna put my shoes as well. But in this pocket right over here, this is where I put my bras and my 2-piece swimsuits in this section. And then in this section, I put all my underwear and bottom piece swimsuits in here. Because I'm there for around 4 days, I want to at least have 2 pairs of underwears per day. So that'd be around at least 8 pairs of underwear. You never know what might happen, but I always make sure to have enough underwear. When I pack my luggage, I always make sure I don't just fold my clothes like that and leave it there. I actually roll them up like this. I'll show you. So I fold it in half like this. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and roll it up like a little lumpia. So I just put that right over here and tuck it as far in as possible. And I'm just gonna keep doing that for pretty much everything. Again, I just fold this like so. Roll it up like a sandwich or whatever is rolled up. And yeah, so I'm gonna do my shirts first because that is the easiest. So now this whole roll is tightly packed with clothes. Right over here, feels very safe. All right, now for my dresses, it's pretty much the same thing. I just go ahead and roll it up. So there we have it. I have 2 rows of clothes, and as you can see, there's still this empty section right over here. And who knows what I might get in Hawaii, but of course there's like gifts and souvenirs that I'll bring home for family and friends. So this shows that there's extra space as well for packing. And I like this because a lot of people in packing videos have those like square boxes and bags where they put separate clothes. And it does give a lot of space, but if you don't have that, you can just roll your clothes. And then, look, I also have like this much thickness in my luggage. You can just keep on piling and piling and piling it up when you come home from vacation. So now for the Hawaii shoes. I have 3 pairs of shoes that I'm going to bring. First are these pink heels. Just for like, you know, a night out or something like that. They're that thick, but I like these kind of heels because I find it hard to walk in stilettos. This is gonna be a lot easier for me. I have some neon yellow flip-flops as well. And then I'm just gonna bring my standard beach flip-flop, which is just a pink flip-flop. Hopefully it matches my clothes. I also make sure to have at least 1 plastic bag in my suitcase because I like to put my laundry in this bag either to do laundry in the hotel room or when I get back home to California. Alright, so here's what I'm going to pack for my skincare and my makeup and my hair. So for my hair, I just brought a hair curler as well as my brush, and then I have little pins, and then I also use like little hair curlers just for this part of my hair. I like to make my hair actually very curly. It's like my preferred hairstyle. Okay, so for my skincare, you actually can only bring up to 3.4 fluid ounces on the plane. So anything bigger, they will take away, unfortunately. I had that happen many times when I took away my most prized possession, skincare, and I was just, I felt so frustrated. But I have this one. This is from Curology. It's my acne ointment. This is big enough for the airplane. And then I would actually recommend buying these little glass bottles or plastic bottles that you can bring on the plane because they're the perfect size. In this bottle, I have my face wash. In this bottle, I have my eye makeup remover, which is just jojoba oil. I like using oil to take off my makeup. So I'll put that in this bag. Actually, in this bottle is my makeup remover for my face. And then I actually just put a little bit of my facial moisturizer into this little bottle as well, so that everything can fit perfectly into this plastic bottle and there will be no issues during security. And then last but not least, I put my skin tint SPF moisturizer as well. This also acts as a skin tint and foundation for me, especially in Hawaii. I don't want to wear too much. And voila, everything fits perfectly into this little lunch bag so that security at the airport will run smoothly. And then pretty much after that, I just take my makeup bag as well. If there's anything liquid inside here, make sure to remove it as well because all liquids should go into this bag. And yeah, that is pretty much how I pack for my skincare, makeup, and hair. Alright, these are the last items that I'm packing, but this is actually my carry-on bag right over here. And I like to actually have a backpack as a carry-on because it's just easier, and purses kind of make me a little bit unstable, especially because I have scoliosis. So this is a backpack and not too big, so it isn't as heavy for me. And let's see what's inside. Okay. If you have medication, do not forget to bring your medication. I have asthma, so I have my inhaler. I always bring this with me everywhere with my Apple Tag. An Apple Tag, or it's actually called an Air Tag. This is so that I don't lose my inhaler at all, and if I lose it, I can find it with this little middle thing. Then I have my little wallet here, and just remember to have your ID, some cash with you, and of course your debit or credit cards. But the most important thing for flying, especially to Hawaii, is your ID, which I have in here. And then my husband has our vaccine cards. Please do not forget that. And then of course I gotta have my lip color because I feel like lip color just always adds a little bit of brightness to my face. Gotta have that. And so I also have some Tylenol just in case we get a headache or something like that. I have a clip for my hair. I don't like to really touch my hair with anything on the plane, so that's why I have my little clip here. And then I also keep in this bag I'm gonna actually keep my skincare in here, but I also have my glasses as well with my little contacts. So I keep that in there. And as for entertainment, I have my iPad, my trusty, handy iPad. Everything is in here for me, books, articles. I can write my journaling in here. I usually plan my videos on this iPad. Everything is on this iPad. Absolutely love it. I remember I was in class and I was taking notes with my little pen here, and it was just so nice, and everyone was like, oh my gosh, that's pretty cool. So, love my iPad for my entertainment. I'm gonna put this in there, but first, don't forget to charge it first. And also do not forget your earphones. I have my what's it called? My AirPods. I have my AirPods, so remember to charge your AirPods as well. And then of course, your camera. I have my GoPro because we're gonna shoot a lot in Hawaii and it's gonna be so much fun. So remember to charge your batteries and clear your SD cards, or bring extra SD cards as well. I have my switch for extra entertainment in the air. And I've been getting back into Animal Crossing as well. It's so much fun. So there's that. And then last but not least is my purse. You can adjust the length of the straps. You can wear it like that. And this will be going into my luggage, so. All right, last but not least, for the COVID safety traveling, so we have hand sanitizer. We also have multi-purpose alcohol wipes as well. And then the last thing is we have a bunch of these KN94 and N95 masks, just to be extra safe on the plane and in Hawaii. I know that it's been getting a little bit worse over there, so we just want to be extra safe. So we have a whole bunch of these masks. I'm going to put an extra one in my bag right now. All right, so last but not least, I have a little section in my reminders app on my iPad and my phone. They both sync together, where I basically write a list of all the things that I have to take with me right before I leave the house. So for example, my phone charger, my skincare, all the things that were being charged. I write a list down over here so that I do not forget to bring that before I leave to go to the airport. So that is a good tip that I have, and I'll show you how my list looks right over here. And yeah, I just want to say that make sure to just be safe, and honestly, I know everyone may have their reasons, but I recommend getting the vaccine just because it's not only protecting you, but it's protecting other people, and you still may get COVID, but at least it'll lessen the chances of you going to the hospital or being really, really sick. That's why I recommend the vaccine, and I recommend wearing a mask as well. Wherever you are, in your hometown or where you're traveling especially, just want to put that out there because it means a lot to me, and I also care about other people in this world. All right, everyone, that is it. I think tonight I'm just gonna continue cleaning a little bit. I have to prepare a little bit of food for tomorrow morning, and then I also want to paint my nails too, because who wants to have bare nails when they're on vacation, right? I mean, you can, it's fine, but like I really want to go ahead and paint my nails like a nice color, and my toes as well, just, you know, to look pretty for a vacation. So that will be it for today, everyone. I love you all so much. I hope that this video of packing helped you, and remember to go to travel.Hawaii.gov if you're planning to go to Hawaii. Yeah, I'm wishing you all the best, sending you so much love, so much peace, and I will see you in Hawaii, everyone. Bye!